To do that, I'd like to invite up our head of innovation and experience, Adam Field. Adam?
Stephanie, another PegaWorld?
Yeah, look at those kicks you got there.
Steph, you know, main stage, I had to get me my own sweet Pega platforms complete with Pegasus wings.
I didn't think it was possible, but I think you just outshoed me.
Steph, I could never dream of outshoeing you, but in the innovation labs, we're always looking at how to make things better. Not just footwear, but Alan talked yesterday about Pega's mission, changing the way the world builds software. And we're looking at all new technologies. For instance, for those of you that haven't had the chance to go to the Tech Pavilion, go buy those real lifelike experiences where you can pick up a device and see how augmented reality powered by Pega is changing how you can engage with your customers. And like you said, we've been looking at the future of AI. You know, that same AI that all of you are using today to engage your customers better, to process things more efficiently, we think can be turned on its head to help all of you build better applications and optimize those apps over time.
Well, I have an application that I want to build a new case type for. Can we give it a shot?
Now's as good a time as any. Let's do it.
All right.
What do you got?
Well, on the side, I work for Vegas Vines.
Naturally.
So I would like to build out an item return process to support returning Karim's horrendous swim trunks.
Swimwear. Yeah, I have better taste in shoes than he does in shorts. But Steph, what we've been looking at and what I'm going to show you, it's not all available yet, but we think this in the not too distant future might be how you build apps in Pega. Some of the features are certainly available today, and we'll talk about some of those. So hold on one second. Can we put my iPad up on that screen, please? Thank you. So Steph, in just a second, I'm going to turn on Pega Infinity to listen to what you're saying. So just use common terms, like tell it to create a case and things like that, and let's see how AI can help us build better apps. So let me turn on Pega Infinity.
Pega Infinity, create case. Called item return. OK, next.
All right, Steph, so what that was doing is that's using natural language processing that's available today in Pega Infinity, but it was understanding your context, what you wanted to do, and it's beginning to build out this case for you. So next, when I turn it back on, just talk to it, tell it what this case looks like, all the stages and steps that you want to create. So let me turn listening back on.
OK. First stage, order information. Second stage, research. Third stage, approval.
All right, Steph, hang on. So what's happening here is it's understanding. We can see that it's building out this case for you, but it even understood that commonly, when people build out approval stages, you need some steps and some alternate steps. So it's helping you build that application more intelligently. So go ahead, I'll turn it back on and finish off your design.
OK.
Back on.
Final stage, fulfillment. All right, 2 steps. Step 1, ship new product. Step 2, refund money.
All right, awesome, Steph. Once again, it understands that this is a final stage, so you might want to follow up with an email and resolve that case, so it's helping you build more effectively.
Wow, that's pretty incredible. Well, you know, I had a lot of time on my hands the past couple of days. So on the plane ride, I decided to sketch out what I think this might look like, this process might look like. Can we use that sketch?
Yeah, absolutely. Do you happen to?
Oh, yeah, of course I brought it on stage. I walk around with my drawings. There we go.
Yeah, naturally.
Yep, naturally.
So Steph, if you have your phone.
There we go.
There you go.
Yep.
Here, I'll hold that for you.
Yep.
So if you've sketched this out, what we can do is we've been working on a version of Pega Infinity Mobile App Studio.
OK.
So can we put Steph's phone on the screen, please? So go ahead. Take a picture of that.
OK. Picture of that. Make sure I get it all in there. OK.
OK. Now just go share it with Pega Infinity.
Oh, yep, there we go, share. Oh, look at that. There's my case, item return, and
Yep, that's the case you just created. It understands all those stages you just created, so go ahead and share it with the stage that matches the drawing you made.
OK, order information, post. There we go, on its way.
On its way, excellent. Can we please put my iPad back on the screen? Thanks, Steph. OK, so let me go pull up the interfaces here and see if that's come in. Excellent. So it's taken that photo. It's brought it in. In a second, we're going to apply AI to it, and it's going to extract just the important parts. So let me go ahead and turn that on. So using optical character recognition that's available today in Pega, what it's done is it's automatically understood the data elements that you wanted to create, all those steps that you've drawn out here, those 3 steps. And what it's even done is it's used AI to look at Pega's UX best practices and suggested some styles and look and feel that it thinks is most suited to the app you're trying to build.
Impressive.
So I'm going to go ahead and choose that first one there. And what it's done is it's built out all of those steps for that stage automatically for you. We're getting really efficient here, Steph.
That's amazing. So we talked a lot about
Yeah. Hey, Steph, the robots and the AI are getting all the claps. I think we might have to worry about our job security here.
So we talk a lot about optimizations. We've built this process. Can we optimize it?
Yeah, first let me just show you the steps built out. If I tap on that first one there. Yeah, there we go. It's going to show me all of those data elements that it was able to read right off of your drawing and bring that into the app. And if those already existed in your Vegas Vines app, it would just reuse them. So let me go ahead and clear that off the screen. And now you asked about optimization.
Yep.
So let me bring up workforce intelligence here. Yeah, there we go. This is the same workforce intelligence that's available today in Pega. In fact, you can all go to the Tech Pavilion, the product playground, get your hands on it today. But today, what you would have to do is look at some of these opportunities to optimize. Like in this case, it says that we're doing a lot of cut, copying, and pasting in some legacy systems when we manage orders and things like returns. And then you'd have to go build some bots. But watch this, Steph. Let me just go tap on that first opportunity to optimize. And what it's going to do is behind the scenes, it's created those robotic automations for us, interacting with those really old legacy systems, and it's just replaced 4 manual steps with 1 automation.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, is right. Thanks.
So we done?
Well, almost. So let's see what's next. If I go here and slide out this last panel here, excellent. So, Steph, AI is helping us, the bots are helping us, and it's done some stuff. But of course, it can't do everything for us. So there's some steps. You know, we need to, the data scientists and engineers need to go in and build those integration points, things like single sign-on, test cases. But it's gotten us in just a couple of minutes doing what we normally do. It's helped build the beginnings of an app. And we think that in the not-too-distant future, this is how AI can be turned on its head and help us build better apps. So, looking at things available today, like natural language processing to understand what you were saying, optical character recognition to read what you sketched on that notepad, and workforce intelligence to understand opportunities, to optimize, and having the app do it all on our behalf.
Wow, that's great, Adam. Thank you.
Hey, Don,
Hey,
where's
Don,
the
what's
costume
up?
dude?
I had some stuff for Vegas Vines that I also needed to return, and it's kind of ironic that you guys are building an item return app. So that's really kind of cool. Let me just task this off, see if anybody can come and get this.
Yeah, happy with that.
Hey, you done?
Yeah. There you go, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks, Wasim.
Thanks, Wasim. Wasim Khan, by the way, a member of the incredible IT team that keeps this entire conference running. Stephanie and Adam, thank you so much for sharing this awesome demo and vision, but also for telling us about the incredible enhancements in the community and the ISV system.
Thanks, Tom.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.